Premium SUVs have dominated family transport for over a decade. Then Mercedes engineered the VLE, a fully electric van with a 970mm sliding door opening, a 45mm step in threshold, and a claimed range of 713 kilometers. On paper, it rewrites the rules, but specs do not load strollers, install child seats, or survive a 180-kilometer family road trip. So we put every claim to the test. A family van's promise starts at the curb. The VLE delivers with a sliding door that opens to a 970mm wide aperture, among the broadest in its class. That is enough space to swing in a double stroller or heft a child seat without knocking elbows or scraping trim. The door glides open in just 0.8 seconds, powered by a linear rail system that is tuned for both speed and quiet operation. For parents wrangling toddlers or balancing groceries, this means less waiting, less wrestling, and more control in tight parking spots. Step-in height matters, especially with young kids or a sleeping infant in your arms. The threshold sits just 45 millimeters above the ground. That is barely higher than a curb, allowing a stroller wheel to roll in with a single push. No lifting, no awkward angles. Even small children can climb aboard without help. The low entry is a direct result of the VLE's 1,800mm wheelbase and flat floor battery design, which keeps the floor close to street level without sacrificing underbody protection. Measured in real use, the powered sliding door opens wide enough for a parent to load a stroller and a backpack side by side. The short threshold means less strain on your back and no risk of tripping. Door sensors halt movement instantly if a child or bag is in the way, a small detail, but one that matters when little hands are nearby. In practice, the VLE's access metrics are not just numbers, they translate directly to daily convenience for families on the move, setting the stage for what happens once you step inside. Inside the VLE, cabin space is measured not just in millimeters, but in moments of real use, loading kids, fitting luggage, and reconfiguring seats on the fly. Headroom stands at 1,065 millimeters up front, 1,020 millimeters in the middle, and 985 millimeters in the third row. Even tall adults can sit upright in the back, and children will not bump their heads climbing in. The flat floor, made possible by the underfloor battery, means you get full standing height throughout the length of the cabin. That is a rare luxury in this segment. Cargo capacity adapts with the family's needs. With all 8 seats up, there is 390 liters of trunk space, enough for a week's groceries or a couple of carry-on suitcases. Fold the third row, and the volume increases to 710 liters. Drop both rear benches, and you unlock 1,150 liters, enough for a full-size stroller, camping gear, or a month's worth of sports equipment. The cargo floor remains flat, so nothing gets trapped between seat rails or uneven steps. Seating flexibility is the VLE's standout feature. The roll-and-go system lets you remove the third row or slide it forward in seconds, no tools required. Each bench folds with a single lever and locks flush to the floor. 4 ISOFIX anchors per row allow up to 6 child seats to be installed at once, making this van a genuine solution for large families or carpools. In timed install tests, it takes less than a minute to fit or remove a child seat, thanks to exposed anchor points and wide door openings. The cabin's dimensions and seat mechanics are engineered for parents who need to switch from school run to road trip without breaking a sweat. Driver assist technology in the VLE is designed for real-world traffic, not just brochure claims. Adaptive cruise control manages speed and distance on the highway with a steady hand. The system uses radar and camera data to hold lane position up to 130 kilometers per hour, but it is tuned with conservative thresholds. If lateral acceleration exceeds 0.3 g, such as during a sharp bend, the system returns control to the driver. Lane keep assist and emergency stop functions are active, and they always give clear, visual, and audible cues. In stop-and-go traffic, the VLE sensors track vehicles ahead, bringing the van to a smooth halt and resuming automatically with a tap of the accelerator. Rear axle steering works in tandem, tightening the turning circle to 10.9 meters, which is noticeable in parking lots and city streets. Charging protocol is just as transparent. The onboard 11 kilowatt AC charger is standard, supporting 3-phase home or workplace charging. With a 115 kilowatt-hour battery, a full charge from empty to 100% on a typical 11 kilowatt wall box takes about 7 hours, enough for an overnight top-up in a home garage. Most families will use the 10 to 90% window, which shortens the session to just over 6 hours. The process is simple: plug in, set departure time in the Mercedes ME app, and the system preconditions the cabin for comfort before you leave. Mercedes claims a WLTP range of 713 kilometers for the VLE 300. To provide a realistic baseline, all range and consumption tests in this review use the published 11 kilowatt AC charging data with cabin climate set to 22 degrees Celsius. The upcoming fast charge demonstration will compare these figures to a real-world mixed cycle result. For now, a side-by-side graphic will show the official WLTP range beside our measured test split, so viewers can see exactly how the numbers stack up in daily family use. Choosing a VLE starts with 2 core trims, the Advanced Plus and the Exclusive Premium Plus. The Advanced Plus, priced around $150,000, comes with a 272 horsepower front-wheel drive motor, standard 8-seat roll-and-go seating, power sliding doors, a powered tailgate, and a panoramic MBUX display. For families who value maximum range, this trim delivers up to 713 kilometers on the WLTP cycle and keeps weight and cost in check. The Exclusive Premium Plus, at about $175,000, upgrades to a 409 horsepower AWD system, air suspension, roof rails, and a higher grade of interior finish, including leather trim and acoustic glass. Range drops slightly to 638 kilometers due to the added features and weight, but you gain extra comfort and all-weather traction. Options are where most buyers will tailor the VLE to fit daily life. The powered tailgate option A261 adds hands-free loading for $1,800 and a modest 15 kilograms weight increase. Roof rails R102 cost $2,200 and add flexibility for bikes or roof boxes with minimal impact on range. The third-row roll-and-go seat option U901 is a $4,000 add-on for the Exclusive, making it a true 8-seater and adding 20 kilograms. Each choice affects not just price, but also real-world usability and, to a small degree, electric range. Everyday families often start with the Advanced Plus and add only the essentials, the powered tailgate, roof rails, and the third row. Those seeking more comfort, towing capability, or long-haul stability gravitate toward the Exclusive with air suspension and AWD. Tech-minded buyers may look ahead to the optional Super Screen and advanced driver assist features. These trade-offs shape the VLE into 3 clear buyer profiles: the practical everyday explorer, the comfort-ready all-rounder, and the executive family upgrade. Each path reflects a different balance of cost, capability, and day-to-day family priorities. A stopwatch in hand, the family dad swings into action. The first ISOFIX child seat clicks home in just 38 seconds. Anchor points are fully exposed, no digging between cushions or fighting stiff latches. The sliding doors, wide aperture and low threshold mean there is no need to twist or crouch. He repeats the process on the second row, snapping the next seat in place with the same ease. Next up, the luggage test. 2 full-size suitcases, a stroller, and a sports bag. The cargo floor sits nearly flush with the bumper, only 45 millimeters up, so nothing needs to be lifted high. In 22 seconds, the bags are stowed, the tailgate closes with a tap, and the cabin is ready for departure. Every second saved in these routines is one less moment spent wrangling gear or kids in the rain, and the VLE's layout turns these everyday sprints into a smooth, repeatable workflow. Energy use under a full family load tells the real story. On a 180-kilometer mixed route with 4 passengers, luggage, and climate control set to 22 degrees Celsius, the VLE returned a measured consumption of 22 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers. The state of charge dropped from 52% to 18%, matching what you would expect for a loaded van at highway speeds with city detours. At the first direct current fast charge stop, a 175 kilowatt charger took the battery from 10% to 80% in 29 minutes, enough for another full day's travel. Throughout the drive, rear cabin temperature held steady, even with kids napping and devices charging. Both the driver and rear passengers noted how quiet the cabin stayed, with minimal motor whine or road noise. After hours on the road, everyone arrived refreshed, with no complaints about seat comfort or climate fatigue. The numbers and the feedback line up. The VLE delivers efficiency and comfort, even when the van is packed for real family life. Right now, the shift to electric mobility is redefining what families expect from a premium van. Mercedes VLE delivers range and space that challenge conventional SUVs, but real-world usability and charging access still shape everyday decisions. For family buyers, practical engineering, not just specs, remains the true benchmark. Share your thoughts below.